y'all doing?
We just saying.
Okay, but they done saw y'all breaking stuff. Sir, get up.
Hey, wake him up. Wake him up.
Sir.
My nigga ain't did nothing. He
Get
just
up.
sitting there the whole time.
Sweetheart, if you ain't do nothing, be quiet.
Dang.
Y'all was breaking stuff. Y'all done broke wine bottles. It's on camera. They done caught y'all breaking stuff. Where y'all parents?
I ain't got no money.
Why y'all not home or no park or something? This is not the spot. Kroger do not allow this. Y'all not supposed to be. Look, he already messing up the furniture.
That man's slow. It ain't hard to fix. Come on, man. Come on, y'all. We finna leave.
What you say? Y'all come here. Don't make this harder than what it has to be because y'all old enough to go. So sit down and listen to what we gotta say.
This officer talking to y'all, then stop moving. You understand me?
No, bro, what the
I'm not gonna play with you because I know you already been kicked out of the mall today. Okay? Time to leave. Get up, man. Time to go.
I heard you, man.
Let's go. That way. Out. Out.
We waiting on that.
Outside. I don't care if you wait on you leave. Okay?
Not too much of my sister, though.
Let's go.
Oh, tie my shoe.
I'm not worried about your shoe. You can tie that outside. Let's go.
My cousin either.
Go. Go.
You work at MRB. Shut the fuck up.
Go.
You work at MRB. You ain't working nowhere.
Come on. Let's go.
You ain't working nowhere.
Let's go. Time to
You ain't
go.
working nowhere.
Are you his parent?
I'm not his parent.
All right, then let's go.
Yeah, his parent. Yeah.
Let's go. I'm going to put you in handcuffs in a minute. Do you understand that?
Don't touch him again.
Excuse me? He's going to listen or he's going to go in handcuffs. Now let's go.
Look, I'm not even doing that. Look, I'm finna walk up.
Four Delta 2. Send me a couple more units. I got 6 juveniles that are being disorderly.
Get off me.
Come here. Come here, sweetie. Sweetie. Come here. What's your name? I don't got a name. Listen here, sweetie. Let's not make this harder than what it has to be.
Ma'am, I've been sitting on the couch
I
the whole
understand,
time.
but y'all together, I'm getting everybody's name. Everybody else cooperating, you cooperate as well. What's your
My
name?
name's Taylor.
Outside.
42.
I don't care who you're waiting on. Outside.
46 now.
Just trying to get them outside. They're not wanting to go and one's wanting to struggle with me.
I'm trying to get my
No. Put your hands behind your
I'm
back.
trying to get my balls.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm finna walk out.
Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your hands behind your back.
Let somebody get this.
No, you're not listening to me.
Tell me, what the is wrong with you?
I gave you orders.
Look, I don't give a what the is. Look, I don't give a. Look, get the off me. Fuck wrong with you? Man, nigga, get the off me.
4 Delta 2. Send me units in 18. One's wanting to fight with me.
Look, bro. Look, bro.
Go down.
Now you're doing that.
Get off of me or you're going to cuff too.
Get down.
Hey, y'all, bud. Got them up. No,
Get off of here.
Let go or you be taken.
on the ground.
Okay, look at here. Here. Look at I'm trying to get. Look at that.
It's not meant to be gentle. Watch out. Watch out.
Hey, what the? Look at get the off me.
Oh, my brother.
Look at that. Man, what the? Stop.
Stand up.
Look, I can't.
Stand up.
Look at it.
You can get up.
Watch out! Watch out! He ain't going right out. Handcuffs on, man. Let's go.
Let go.
Come here.
Let go.
Well, you man, get your goddamn hands off.
Hey.
Hey, chill out.
Shot. Go.
Fuck no. Watch out, let me get my phone.
No, come here. Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Man, get the fuck off me, cop. I don't even move like that. I don't get your phone. My phone is over there.
Come on, Jacob.
No idea. You getting your phone? We ain't shopping anymore, so you can turn around and leave the store right now.
Phone! Shit!
Hey, where's your phone then?
Man, I'm going to get it.
Where is it? We can help you find it.
Look, bro, I'm not getting in that car. Look, bro, can y'all please call y'all sergeant? Look, bro, no.
I am the sergeant.
Okay, look, bro. Look, bro, no, can y'all talk to me first, look? God damn!
If you want to go in handcuffs, keep it up or back off.
Back off.
Back off! Look, bro,
Get in the
You
car.
either get in or I'm throwing you in. You got 1 minute.
Look, bro, wait, can y'all listen, please? Look, bro, these handcuffs.
Move your leg.
Get all the way in.
These handcuffs, man. Can you please?
We'll adjust them once you're in. Get in.
Okay, you cannot.
Get in.
You cannot push me.
Get in.
I can't. The f***ing buckler's behind me, sir. I was trying to, sir. What the f***? That hurt. Ah, my.
We're not walking around looking at merchandise right
I
now.
don't want this handcuff.
You should be in handcuffs. You should be in handcuffs right now for assaulting my officer back there, okay? I'm giving you a chance to get your phone. If you're not going to get your phone, I'm going to take you outside and handcuff. Go. Come on.
You think I'm doing?
Wherever you're at,
Come
on.
Hell, God, he's tweaking.
Alright. Now let's get out. Come on. You don't need to fix it. Don't fix it.
Respect. I don't mess up.
Let's just go.
I ain't did. I walked in. Go home. Go home.
Good, sir?
Out of breath, but I'm good.
Where's the other one?
There's 5 others in there.
Webb and Carter with him.
They're all out now.
Bro, what the f***, bro? I was leaving.
Huh? He's gonna be all right. There's 100 of us here. There's cameras. Are you going to Taco Bell or not? If not, then sit over there and be quiet.
Since you know the people he was with, will you try to, the ones that are left, try to get their info?
I got their names.
Thank you.
What's your mama number?
She answered him.
Give me her number. I'll call her.
Ma'am. You have an ID on you, by chance?
Hey, listen. What's your brother's name? If you don't tell us, he's got to go to the jail.
No, we don't.
That's how that works.
Damn, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You're rolling deep for 4 people.
6.
She's not going to tell us either. They'll just have to
You want to go,
fingerprint
boy?
it.
Come on, man. That makes fella.
Oh, where you going?
Oh, God. I'm going to walk with him.
Where you going?
Stop right there. You're not coming in closer. Stop and walk down there.
You can sit right there.
Say we can go over.
Walk that way.
The officer said we can go.
No, you're not. Walk that way.
Say we can come over.
Who are you?
Officer McDonald.
The
Now walk
officer
that
said
way.
we can come over here.
64386. Walk.
That officer over there said we can come over here. You got pepper spray out like we are threatening. We just standing.
Walk that way.
2 of us, 3 of you.
What the f you mean? Y'all
Walk
rolling deep.
that way.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3. What
Walk that way now, or I'm going to put all 3 of you in handcuffs and you can join him in the car.
the f?
All right?
Right here.
All right, turn around, put your ass in your back.
I'm not, don't touch me.
Nope,
I didn't
turn
do
around, put your ass in
anything.
your back.
Touch nobody. I ain't God, like what the f? Tighten up. I'm standing here. No. You can get out my face. As long as I ain't, whatever the f sounds what they said.
Boss man, go ahead and put your lighter down for me.
Stand up. But I'm just sitting there playing.
Behind your back.
You're going to be under arrest too.
What the f I do?
Battery on a Leo.
Battery on the wall. I didn't touch nobody.
Yeah, you did.
Who?
It's on his body camera and the Kroger
Who I
camera.
touched? Y'all tweet.
Y'all not taking both of them.
Tweet out, but I didn't touch not a damn person.
I didn't even do
I'm not gonna do a step on my phone.
Let him handcuff you. Don't do this.
Man, what the f you mean? I didn't touch no. Bro, that's family, man.
Do you want to get tased? Put your hand behind your back.
Didn't do anything. Exactly, bro. I'm just sitting.
No, y'all tweet.
There's the cuff right here.
Why y'all arresting them?
Obstruction.
Let me go. Stop. Y'all got the handcuffs off me. Y'all tweaking, cuz. Tweak, but I'm not doing. I'm sitting here. I ain't hitting nobody. I ain't touching nobody.
Bro, get off me. Bro, quit.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Man.
In the car.
Bro, I can get him. I'm not man.
Move your legs.
I'm trying to move.
Move your legs.
No.
Move your legs.
And you just scratched the fuck out my face. Man, let me the fuck go. Man, get these motherfuckers off me, man. Bro, no. Let me, bro. Y'all niggas blowing. You my man.
Got it.
Oh. Get your ass off me, man. I'ma get up. Hold, move. Grab my phone, car. Don't touch my I tweet out, man. Man, let me go, man. Y'all got me up. Move. Man, I don't give a fuck that.
Huh?
Man,
You're under arrest.
Get in the car. Take the, take the badges off, cuz.